In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a checkmark in Google Docs. This is really useful if you're looking to enhance your document organization, keep track of tasks, or simply highlight specific items with a visual cue. Let's go through the steps to get this done smoothly. First, head over to Google Docs. If you're not there yet, open your web browser and navigate to docsgoogle.com. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account to access or create your documents. Once you've reached Google Docs, open the document in which you want to add a check mark. This can be an existing document or a new one. Just click to open and you'll have it ready to edit. Next, we need to dive into the menu options to add our check mark. So at the top of the page, find the insert menu. It's typically placed between edit and format, so it shouldn't be hard to spot. Click on insert to reveal a drop-down list of various options. From this list, hover over symbols and then you'll notice an option titled special characters. Go ahead and click on it. This opens a fascinating window where Google Docs provides a variety of symbols and characters you can add to your document. Now, you might wonder how to find a checkmark among so many symbols. It's quite simple with built-in search functionality. In the search bar that appears in the special characters window, type in check. Instantly, the window will filter and display all related symbols, including different styles of checkmarks. Browse through these and pick the checkmark that best suits your document style. Just click on the one you fancy and it'll be inserted into your document at the place where your cursor is. After inserting your checkmark, you can exit the special characters window by clicking the X or close button. Your document now includes a neat checkmark and you can continue editing as usual. Alternatively, if you're creating a list and want a series of checkmarks or checkboxes, you can utilize another method. Select the list you want to add checkboxes to. Head over to the toolbar and find the checklist menu. It looks like a bulleted list icon. Click on it and in the drop-down, select the option for a bullet checkbox. This will transform your list items into checkable boxes, perfect for keeping track of completed tasks or items. That's it. Whether it's for visual flair or practical task management, adding checkmarks in Google Docs is straightforward and adds a layer of organization to your documents effortlessly. Give it a try and you'll see just how much of a difference a simple checkmark can make in keeping your content clear and organized. Thank you for watching and happy documenting.